Hey everybody, I've got a really cool hack and I'm going to show you how to use this simple little tool to put threaded nut inserts inside an EMT conduit even easier. If you haven't seen these before, these are threaded nut inserts and they get pushed into EMT conduit and give you a great mounting point where you can thread something in, a 1/4 20 or 3/8 16, and it gives a lot of possibilities for building with EMT conduit. But one of the challenges is it's a little bit challenging to get, it's a little bit hard to get the insert into the tube. You can hammer it in or sometimes use a vise, but this tool is making it a lot easier. This is made for these threaded nut inserts, but to drive them into bicycle forks. And we're gonna adapt it to use it for EMT conduit. You can see it's sized a little bit too big. There's a little bit of wiggle in there. But if you take some of this PE tubing that you can get at the plumbing store and cut off a section and slit it, I'm going to show you how to use that so it makes it even easier, and it really is a good fit. So just take it and slit the side and then slide it over, real similar to how we do the shims for 1/2 inch EMT. And then check this out, it fits great over there and it doesn't wiggle at all. And the way this works is you've had this pin here and you put the threaded insert on like that and just place it over the tube, slide that down. It kind of exposes this plunger and we're gonna hammer on that, and it just guides it in. It does a really good job. And then take that off, and then you've got the threaded nut insert in there. A lot easier. It's nice and even. It's about 5/8 or 3/4 inch deep in there, and it's ready to go. So this is a great little tool. We'll link it down in the description. Whether you've got a bunch of these to do or you just want to make life easier on you, I thought this was a great hack and thought you guys would appreciate it. So thanks for checking it out, and we'll talk to you next time.